Hello my friends, how are you? So we got, this is the dragon kit. I've got all the weapons on now. So they're looking pretty cool. Put some decals on. Shut up, Else. That one on there. Nice decals, dragon. This is beautiful. This kit is beautiful. Dragon really doing it. And I've made a little thing to go with it. Just got to do some black washes on it. So I haven't put any washes at all on. Isn't that clip nice there? I like that. But yeah, she's a bloody nice kit. So now start doing some. Yeah, the next stage I'm going to do is I'm going to do a black pin wash, and we'll get some of the details sort of looking more better. But I did some washes on the wheels last night just to get it started with the dirtiness effect. But yeah, this Dragon Halftracks are nuts. They're good. I love them. The AFV Club one, I'm not sure if it's good or not, but look at all the amount of filling I've had to do just to get it to go together. This is the whole thing, the whole bloody thing. What I've noticed a lot is there's a lot of warping going on. See that? I'm gonna have to have these open, which you can do. See like that. So I'm gonna pose them open. But yeah, nothing really fitted right. That was a huge gap there. Massive. Yeah, so getting all this in, it's just, yeah, like it was all having to pull the parts into shape and all that kind of stuff. It was horrible to put together. The parts sometimes are alright, but yeah, even that didn't really fit too well, and yeah, I'm not very impressed with it at all. But we've got it together, so that's cool. We've got it together, and I've got the interior done. As you can see, looks pretty good inside though, doesn't it? The inside looks good. Those doors were really good. I like them. They're fully workable as well. Like it's a nice kit, but I just think maybe it's too old or something. It's been sitting on the shelf for too long or something. I don't know. But yeah, it feels like everything's warped. Elsie, enough. So I'm not sure, but yeah, I'll just pose it like that. We'll have it like that. Open. So yeah, I've pre-done so under here, and we'll be able to just put the fenders straight on. So I'll get onto them in a minute. But yeah, what I'm really curious is if these side bits are going to fit. So I don't know. They probably won't, but what can I do? Alright, I'll carry on with it. I'll just give a quick update of the Halftracks. The Dragon one is much better. This AFV Club one would be good if it wasn't so warped. Alright, I'll speak to you again soon.